Into a Tuesday, August 1st. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Potato of eXp Realty, your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap lakefront specialist. Starting off with the very latest evidence that despite those higher mortgage costs, Canada's housing market has caught fire once more. New data in from real estate listing website Zoocasa. While housing sales have generally soared in the first half of the year countrywide, the nation's most expensive market, the Vancouver region, has seen closings jump by 190%, with prices up by nearly 8%. The average selling price in BC's Lower Mainland at about $1.2 million. The finish line now within sight for a major natural gas pipeline venture across northern BC. TC Energy reporting that its Coastal GasLink project connecting Dawson Creek to that big LNG Canada plant at Kitimat is now 91% complete and should be wrapped up by the end of the year. $14 billion, the latest cost estimate. Around the world on Twitter and wherever you get your favorite podcasts, Canada's Business Beat, proudly sponsored by Eric Potato of eXp Realty. Considering a move to BC's wine country? Eric is your BC, Thompson, Okanagan, and Shuswap Lakeview specialist at OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com. About that newest contract deal to finally resolve the BC port workers' labor dispute, the Canada Industrial Relations Board is now warning union brass that a ratification vote has to be held no later than Friday the 4th. A major coup for Ontario software maker BlackBerry, landing an unspecified contract to supply programming for electric vehicles being developed by technology giant Foxconn. BlackBerry's second quarter loss down to $11 million from $181 million in the hole a year ago. And a seemingly never-ending effort by Vancouver to be Canada's greenest city still has a ways to go. The latest environmental survey from Greater Toronto Home Pros puts Vancouver 8th best in the nation, Kelowna greenest, Lethbridge 2nd, Fredericton 3rd, North Vancouver 4th. And that will do it for your Tuesday. Thank you for listening. Bob Price on Canada's Business Beat, brought to you by Eric Potato and OkanaganLakefrontProperties.com.